Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how an Epson printer keeps its ink flowing smoothly? The secret is in a tiny part called the pump. Let's see how it works. The pump, or wasting pump, works together with the capping station, the place where the print head rests. Even though it's small, it plays a big role in keeping the printer healthy. So, during a cleaning cycle, the print head sits on the capping station. The pump creates suction, pulling ink through the nozzles. This suction clears out dried ink or air bubbles, and the waste ink flows through a tube into the sponge pad inside the printer. This process keeps the print head moist, prevents clogs, and makes sure fresh ink can flow from the tank into the head. Without the pump, the printer would struggle to print properly. Normally, during a print head cleaning, you'll see the ink flow out like this. But if the pump becomes weak or clogged, the ink may not come out at all, even after several cleanings. Sometimes, only a little ink comes through. This usually happens when the pump's rubber parts are worn, the tube is blocked, or the motor has lost its strength. So, the problem isn't always a clogged print head. Sometimes weak or worn out pump parts can also stop the ink from flowing. That's why it's important to check both the print head and the pump when your Epson printer isn't printing properly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple printer tips.